Washington State University, number 11,
Don't be scared to get to the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30. Excited. No excuses. My bad. Yo, shut the fuck up and let's get to the money, man.
When we in this courtroom, man, head up, chin up, fuck that, nigga. If we go to prison for the rest of our life, whoop-de-doo. We go to prison, nigga. And we fight to get out this bitch. If we beat these folk, whoop-de-doo, we beat them.
Hey, listen, bro. Listen. Hey, hold on. Real quick. Hey, listen. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Hey, but now listen. I got an announcement. You heard? So listen. Hey, if this is your very first time trading live with us, if this is your very first live trading session, if this is your first session back in a long time, hey, I got a big announcement. You heard?
welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Hey, man, let's get it, man. Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia. You heard?
Welcome to the party.
All right, man, listen. Let's not let another second go by. Let's get straight into it. You heard? Ready? Are you ready? Rodney with the news. Give it to me, Rodney. Who we got, Rodney, man? Rodney with the news. 1 red folder, 8:15. 4 orange at 8:30. What up, 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 John Wicks. Now, how'd you manage to do that? That boy said, fuck it, we running it back, man. That shit don't matter. Well, all right, man, get right, John. You can't just be blowing accounts out here, man, like that. You feel me? Gold. Nah, don't blame gold. Cannot blame gold. I want you to blame yourself. It's not gold, bro. Gold is just moving. I ran this 5-minute previous high, pull back to it, break and retest type area. So price could pop up from here. While I'm talking about this other stuff over here. I don't know, I might keep that on the 5. Yeah, when somebody, I was on Take Profit Trader this morning, and then after that, somebody said it was down, and I looked and it was down for me too. The website. So I haven't really checked since. So boom, what we got right here? Got this uptrend, right? Popping up, pulling back the previous highs right here, popping up, pulling back, popping up, leaving order blocks at the bottom, pushing down, popping up, no highs, breaking structure. Now they're respecting this downtrend order block. Stops at this order block because this little push up made a break of structure 1, break of structure 2 on the lower time frame. So boom, this is like a iffy order block because it clearly hit the lows, right? But just iffy, right? Whether you took it or not, that started this push up. So this push up, right? This last opposite direction candle, or you can count this one. It's kind of the same shit. But this last opposite direction candle is the last candle before it actually popped up, made new highs here, made new highs here, right? So that made this red candle a valid order block. This red candle right here. So you draw your rectangle all the way across, you take longs from it, right? So price was popping up, pulling back, popping up, pulling back, hit the 50% mark of the order block right here, and then popped up, right? So at that moment, this next pop up made a what? Break a structure right here, a new high. Right, which made this last opposite direction candle an order block. So price came into it and pushed up, didn't make new highs, then we came back to that order block and we blew through it. Right? So this is violated. Right, so they blew through that. So now you kind of look at break and retest off these old lows kind of thing. That's kind of what price started to do. Right, kind of thing right there, because there's nothing to bounce off of. Everything else got touched. So it came back into this one, rejected, came back into it, rejected again, and then blew past it. So this is now out of the picture too. Alright, same shit here. This already got violated, so it ain't really too much. But it came into it, rejected, stopped at the opposite direction, order block. Let's see. See how I stopped at the opposite direction, order block, and then came back down, then violated this completely now. Right? So now it's technically grabbing these lows. Right? To potentially, what, continue the uptrend. And let's just look at the 30s and shit. See what highs we have over here. High of the day, swing highs here. Little swing high there, little swing high here. Don't know what this red is. Then we'll just do another one, swing high here. So those are like the push-up levels, the buy levels. Right, so then when this order block rejected, made a new low, you would expect this order block to reject and go make lowers. It didn't happen. So what happened? It blew past it. So this one is now invalid. And this is now back at the area where I was saying the break and retest. So from that area, it did give a reaction. So if it wants to continue higher, this 1 minute chart order block will be respected. Right? What could stop the party is this 1 minute order block right here. But is it coming from like a 5 minute order block? Very close. So I would take longs, bro. I would long this 1 minute order block. Going up to the 5 minute OB. And honestly, we can blow through it. We'll just start trailing it there. Okay. Alright, let's do it, bro. Let's see if we can even get filled on that trade. Because we needed to come back down. If you look at this 5 minute just boner, it might not. It might just straight, let me see, 4 minutes left. It could wick down. Close up on some crazy shit. But it can just close green like this, next candle just green, next candle just green, all with a little bottom wick, but it won't be coming down here. That's what it'll look like for it not to activate us. For it to activate us, we need like a bottom wick, this exact 5 minute candle with 3 minutes left. So if it can wick down this candle, that'll be more ideal versus touching the 5 minute order block first, then bonering down. It might just blow through our shit then, you know? So I'd rather it to be kind of quick and now. Risking $400 on this trade, targeting $2,000 at the top of the 5 minute order block. Since we already kind of rejected it, and then we go back to it, high chances of it pushing all the way through kind of with speed.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would the Chinese read the charts from left to right? From right to left? What? Alright, let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens. Ugh. Ronnie said it's some more. News was at 8:15, okay, but you said it's some more. You said 8:32, so in like 12 minutes. So in like 12 minutes. 3 orange at 8:30. Yo, this trade is either kind of gonna be a kind of like a quick banger or like a quick L. No shit, right? But like, you get what I'm saying? It'll be fairly quick. Like we'll be either in profit fast as fuck or in a loss fast as fuck. So here's our break-even areas. We get above this wick type shit, we can go break even, bro. We really can go break even now. Ooh, that's a banger. What I say, bro? I told you it's gonna be quick, bro. Crazy reaction, quick, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Put an alert there. I want to hear some ding ding, bro. If you want to close full, if you're on pro, bro, 600 today is a beautiful trade. 700 right now is a beautiful trade. Right? I'm going to break even. I'm at break even. Got it? There we go. Banger. So when we get to the tip of this order block right here, that'll be $1,000 profit. I want to see if we can go fast through it, though. You feel me? Everybody say you feel me? Banger to start the morning? Huh? We go all the way to break even, man. Let's ride this baby. Let's ride this motherfucker, boy. Let's see how high can we go, boy. I'm out 470. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's see how we can go, bro. See how we can go, bro. We're in this 5-minute order block now, bro. Let's see if we can get a straight boner candle out of here. So look, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this right here. Hey, yo. Hey, look, I'm gonna do this. Yo, come back. Yo, come back. Hey, hold on. At $1,000, I'm gonna put my stop loss. Bro. You get what I'm saying? So if it hits me under this wick, I'll be at 1,000 on the day. Let's do that. Fuck you. All right, let's go!
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Wow, that was an amazing trade. Hey, everybody, right now, 75 people. I need WPNL in the chat right now, bro. WPNL in the Discord. The live trading profits at the bottom, bro. Oh my God, bro. We're live on Zoom, bro. We got 75 people in the building. We just caught a $1,000 banger on a trail out. I got trailed out at $1,000 profit. Let's see how much the chat made, bro. 397, 144, 300, 244, 500, 128, done before news, $87, 378, 331, 350, 470. Listen, bro, if y'all want to live trade with us, bro, go to tradewithbruce.com and join up. It's only $150 a month, bro. Listen, bro. And price is still going. My full target was at the top of this 5-minute order block. And it's about to fucking hit, you motherfucker. But that's fire, bro. We'll take $1,000 on that trade. But, bro, that trade was fucking money, bro. I literally called that shit right here. $2,000 would have been a profit, but I got aggressive and kind of aggressively conservative by putting my stop loss right here at $1,000. So, either way, W day, bro. Let's get it.
You know we don't miss.
Hey,
You know we
hey,
don't miss.
hey,
You know we
hey,
don't miss.
hey,
You know we
hey,
don't miss.
hey,
Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
850, let's go. Stayed in, bet 5 contracts, W600. Bro, I was 3 minutes away from fucking another $1,000. God dang, bro. I was doing so good trying to hold that bitch, bro. I was like, let it run. Then I seen like 4 and 1,400. Then I was like, bro, I can't let this go to 0. So I accepted 1,000 instead of 2,000, just by waiting and taking 0. But some days it's gonna go to 0. You gotta stomach that, bro. When you go to break even, it's gonna go to break even some of those times. You gotta stomach that. So you're gonna be up 1,000 trying to make 2. Then you go to break even and it goes to break even and you make 0. A few times before you get, not before, but just a few times. And sometimes you're gonna get that 2K pop. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you green on the day though. Yeah, for sure. But you know, there's always like, you know, room to get better, y'all. Even when I win, bro, you see, I'm hard on myself because I want to be better, bro. Like, I want to make more, right? Little shit like that. So no regrets though, no regrets. Still $1,000 day, you know. But I pretty much called that shit, bro. Look, if it's not gonna fucking break lows and respect this order block and go lower, and then they wick this shit, now that looks like a freaking liquidity grab. We get a boner candle up, past all these old order blocks. This one gets passed, right? And what did I show you? As soon as we got on here, right at 8:05 when we got on here, I was like, there's a break and retest area. We're going to watch it, right? Right here on the 1 minute. Break and retest area. We're going to watch it. Price popped up. So that's the same thing as 5-minute rejection. Wait for the next 1 minute order block. So that's the same shit. Go to a key area. Expect a rejection. Nice move up. Expect the rejection, nice move up, and then you take that bottom order block. That's all we did, bro. That's all we did. And I only risked 400. So if I risked 800, that was a 2K trade, and then I think another 1,500 at the high. It was doubled. Or maybe 4K at the high. Yeah, 4K at the high. Just a little shit like that. So yeah, green is green, bro. This is fat. I have 2 25Ks, used 1 contract and got 100 nights for the first day. Yo, let's go. News at 8:30. Let's see what happens. See, man, here go Rodney, bro. That's Rodney, man.
I'm like, I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
What a banger, though, bro. W's in the chat real quick, man. If you still in here, bro, W's in the chat. Let's do a little video right now. Hey, man, listen, man. We just cashed this $1,000 trade. It would have went to 2K, but I trailed out like a little But now, listen. Hey, if you with me right now, y'all still on session with me. Let me see how many people live with me. 63 people, bro. Listen, bro. If you listen, put W's in the chat right now. We be smacking shit every day, bro. The last 220 trading days, bro, over 91.5% win rate, bro. We've only had 20 losing days out of 220. Ain't that crazy? And we've never had 2 losing days in a row, y'all. W's in the freaking shit. W's in the fucking shit, boys. W's in the fucking shit, bro. But now, listen, bro. If you want to live trade with us, join up at tradewithbruce.com. It's only $150 a month. Oh my God.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Yo, that trade was clean as hell, bro. Yo, that trade was so clean. Just like looking at this shit in hindsight now, bro. Yo, I called that bitch, bro. Yo, entry. Break even point. Exit on some little girl shit. Then it popped up. Oh, that's a banger. That's a banger. Y'all about to call my barber real quick. Y'all ready? Live. Watch this shit. I'm about to call my barber and get a haircut. Watch this shit. He like, hey, stop fucking calling me. He cussed me out on stream. He up at this time? Hell yeah. He better be at the motherfucking shop at this time. The fuck? Nah, you right. He do get there like 9.
Hello, this is Tony Stark.
Man. Man, he don't even fuck with me, bro. I just got exposed on the screen, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, Soldier. What Soldier said when he threw his hands over? What Soldier say? And you calling out of office hours. Fuck that, man. Wake your ass up and cut this hair. I'm about to pull up on his ass. I'm gonna be first in line. But alright, man, I'm out of here, bro. W day, bro. That shit was beautiful. Take a screenshot of that real quick. That was a beautiful trade, bro. That's what you want to see, boy. But no, that was beautiful, bro. Fuck. I don't even, like, bro, that was beautiful. You better spin. You better spin up that.
Banging and banging. When a guy's banging you, you spin off of him. Because if you can feel their body, come on. 18 points for Joker, only nugget.
When your barber's just banging you.
69. Young boys, them young boys coming.
You gonna feel them clippers? Nah, his shit is sharp as hell. Not gonna hold you, B. I'm gonna be sliced up on that bit tomorrow. Hey, why soon as fellas, why soon as we get a haircut, we get up, we rub our hands instantly. Hey, you might hit like this, unless you get that spray. You might hit your shit like this, and then you go like, hey, you know how you wear a hat to the barbershop? But when you come out, you don't put that bitch on. You like, y'all gonna see this shit on my soul. On my soul, boy. You gonna see this cut for about a week, but all the fits gonna have no hats. Could you... Hey, on my soul. Listen, bro. Alright. 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Same exact time. And listen, we're gonna shoot for the same exact result, bro. We're gonna push for a 5-0 week. Since we went break even Monday, we can only go 4-0 max. We already 1-0, right? So we go, 1-1 type shit. 1-0. You get what I'm saying? 1-0. The max we can go 4-0 this week. Get it? So let's do it one day in a row. Let's fucking catch bangers. Bro, we're averaging at least 1,000 a trade, bro. More so 1,000 a session. Do y'all understand that, bro? Over 100 nice, successful sessions, bro. I was just on a 15-day win streak. So on a crazy consecutive, keeping losses small on the days and keeping winning days at least 1,000 up to 200, 2,000. That's 100 trading days to make 100K, bro. Y'all don't even know. Like, I'm at 14K on the road to 100K. 14, 15K. I stopped updating it. But yeah, bro, it's not like we're about to do it, bro. So that's why I really got to lock in on mentally extending my trade, but just smartly. Like right there, that wasn't no random target. That was a measured target with the technical of the chart. If it was going to reject and go down and not break lows, when it goes back to it, it will break it. So I just got real conservative and just went to break even a little. I could have even secured 500. You feel me? And then I would have been safe. Shit like that. So no regrets, but no regrets. But just always getting better. Got it? Even on a good day, I'm still on myself about, I could have made a little more, right? That doesn't make me FOMO into a trade. That just, I write that shit down and get better. You get what I'm saying? So gotta bounce, y'all. Have a good one. All right, not trading by myself no more. Only trading these live sessions. Let's go, John Wicks, bro. Yes, y'all can trade by yourself if you want. But if you come over here, bro, I dedicate one account to me. Dedicate two copy accounts to me. Buy one account, buy two accounts, copy them together, or trade them separately. I say copy them together. And then you feel me? Yes, bro. Have your own. Yeah. She said yes. What? Do we trade on Sundays? No. We trade on Monday through Friday, bro. I said that shit every day. Monday through Friday. We don't trade Asia, so we'll never trade on Sundays. And there's no such thing as Sunday. It's called Monday. Got it? And it's pumping up, bro. I know. I see it. But, bro, that was one of those trades, bro. That shit might be in the fucking sky later today. So just shit like that, bro. We got it, bro. What if I'm still holding that bitch? Took Asia high. Hey, Zena, send me a DM real quick. Hit me on Telegram or hit me on Telegram or Discord, wherever you hit me up. Damn, this bitch is pumping, bro. What the fuck? That's 4-5K. Just at break even, letting it run. What the fuck? Boy, about to get FOMO. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm out of here, bro. Zena, hit me up real quick. All right, I'm out of here. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern. No FOMO. Don't blow your account. And if you do, go to takeprofittrader.com and buy a new one with the code BW if you want to pass it again. Let's get it. We out. I'm holding to that day's high, bro. Derek, you are a bad motherfucker. Is TP2 website down? Yeah, they're down. Trade Sync are down. It's just some internet shit down, I guess. So, yeah. But just keep checking. I guess it'll be back soon. All right. Tomorrow, let's get it. Same time. This shit's pushing, bro.